Hey, this is Tyler with PDQ Homebuyers. I'm standing out in front of one of our recent investments in Fort Smith. We just finished, or pretty much finished. We're about 99% done with this house, and it's getting ready to go on the market. This home was in seriously distressed condition, especially on the inside. It's in a really nice neighborhood. The situation with this house, the father had passed away. There was a brother and sister who had inherited the house and it had a mortgage on it. They couldn't come together to make the mortgage payment. There were taxes that were back and things like that. It was just in general a problem house. The option to rent it or anything like that was not there because of the condition of the house. So they got a hold of us through a web search, much like you're probably coming across this video, and we were able to get down here. We walked through the house one time. Wasn't really an inspection, just a quick walkthrough. We were able to come together on a price, made them an all-cash offer that we closed in less than a week. Took care of all of their problems. They were extremely happy, relieved. They made a little bit of money on the thing when they thought they were going to end up just pouring money into it, if the money was even there to do that. So it was a big problem for them, and we helped them solve that, which feels good on both sides. This particular house has been quite the project. It was nasty. I normally don't take videos of before because most of the time we buy them, they're just in such bad condition that you kind of get the idea. But we're a real estate investing company. We pay all cash, regardless of the condition of the home. We buy inherited homes, things that are in probate, divorce, just unwanted property, rental property that's been torn up, rental property that people don't want anymore, and things like that. So if you have any sort of problem property, or think you have a problem that you don't know how to solve, or a property that's not ready to list for the MLS, it's not a property where people can go through and look at it with a realtor, or you just don't want to deal with a realtor, we don't charge any commission. There's no hidden fees associated with this. We just make you a cash offer, and hopefully we can help you out of your situation. So we'll do a quick walkthrough on this house and give you a rundown of what we did. We've walked in to the front door, and one of the couple little things we still have to do is get the new appliances in, and there were a couple broken cabinet doors that we're having remade. They actually got remade and were the wrong size, so that's one little hurdle. But new countertops, nice white marble Formica countertops. We reconditioned the old cabinets and painted them, and they turned out looking really nice. New LED lighting in the kitchen and dining area. Large living room with a ceiling fan. New luxury vinyl plank wood floors. This is a very good product. It's very resilient. It's great for pets and kids and things like that. It's just a really good product that we use often. This is the garage that the previous owners had converted into an additional space, whether it be a bedroom or whatever. And there's the laundry area. We'll go back. This house is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, plus the bonus room that we just left in this bathroom here. And I'm sorry the fan might kick on and be a little noisy, but it's a new bathroom, new bathtub, new toilet. Of course, the new LVP floors. Again, we repurposed the old vanity and put a new granite countertop on it, and new lights, and we're getting ready to hang a new mirror. So one of the second bedrooms, new carpet, new paint. Some trim work in there, new ceiling fans, a nice closet. It's a built-in closet at the end of the hall. This would be the master. New ceiling fan, really nice carpet, and the half bath. As you probably saw, this house has new windows as well. And I'm not going to take you out back, but you can see out the back door that there's a nice two-car plus size outbuilding that would make a good shop for somebody, and it was in bad shape. We put new siding on the shop building and new insulation inside of it, and hung drywall, and it is heated, so it'll make a nice man cave for somebody. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, go to the tutorial section of our website. You can watch tutorials. There's not one from the people that sold this house to us, and we buy a lot of homes. We don't get tutorials from everyone, but you won't find any negative comments on us. We do what we say we're going to do, and when we make you a cash offer, it's as good as gold, and we close quickly. So thanks for watching, and hope to talk to you soon.